organization may fail on small issues. It is essential that they master the risks. They ensure that whenever they have any essential activity to put in place, any essential business benefit, business feature important for the client or for the transformation, they have to ensure that all risks are avoided. They have to ensure that benefits are reached and that resources are adequately used during the project, during the transformation, as well as when it is implemented and during the operations phase. One of them is the impressive internet application that is developed by Belfius Bank, and I had recently the CIO speaking on how complex it is to create the simplest of those applications that exist almost worldwide. The other example are all those failures that I witness as an expert witness for the justice system, when they missed some governance issues, they missed some risks, they missed some technology, that resulted in the project being a failure altogether. And that happens very, very frequently. It's not a question or not if we need to adopt adequate cybersecurity measures. It's not a question or not if we need to use major tools to reach our clients. It is essential for organizations today to master the technologies, master the methods to manage those technologies, and to master the reaching business benefits from those methods and from those technologies. What is important for us is that we ensure that at the end of the day, at the end of the module, they master those few essential models, methods, governance activities that they should put in place in order to ensure that they are tracking adequately the project while it is being transformed, that they are putting in place all those operational services that are essential for the transformation to be effective at the end of the day.